So this question says, for each of the following, write down the equation of the line with the given gradient m that passes through the given point. So the gradient is -3 and the point now is 0,1. Now, we know the standard form for an equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. Now, when y is the subject, coefficient of x is the gradient, and the y-intercept is the number by itself. So since they gave us the gradient already, we can already begin to write down the equation. In the place of m, we can put -3. All we need to do now is to solve for c. Now we have a point, so we can do that. We know for sure in a point, x comes first and y comes after. So a point is such that you have x, comma, y. So therefore, this leads us to conclude that in 0,1 is equal to 0, because 0 came first, so x must be 0, and y must be equal to 1. Since we know the value of x and we know the value of y, we can solve for c. So in this half-completed equation, c, where c is missing, in the place of y, we can put 1 because y is 1. And in the place of x, we can put 0 because x is 0. So we have 1 is equal to -3 times 0 plus c. 0 times any number is 0. So we are left with 1 is equal to c. And another way to have concluded that c is 1, because remember, when x is 0, therefore you're on the y-axis. C is the y-intercept, you know. So if you can recall, in this question here, you have a graph. Once x is 0, you are on the y-axis. So that 1 we see in there is the y-intercept automatically. Okay, that 1 there must be c, must be the y-intercept, because x is 0. Once x is 0, you're on the y-axis. Okay, so that's another way to have concluded, even without any arithmetic, any algebra, you could conclude that c is equal to 1, and then you have your equation, y is equal to -3x plus 1.